Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Hardwood floor scratch repair costs. Scratches cost anywhere from $75 to $2,000 or $1 to $8 per square foot. For a single scratch, you might go with an inexpensive wood filler and stain. For extensive scratches, you'll likely need to refinish the floor completely, costing closer to $2,000.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Gouge. For a deeper scratch or small gouge, rub a matching colored wax filler stick or brown crayon on the spot until the nick is filled. Rub the spot with a soft cloth to remove any excess wax. Deep gouge. For a deep gouge, fill the hole with matching colored wood putty.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In general, it will almost always be less expensive to refinish your hardwood floors. If you replace them, you need to pay for additional wood as well as ripping up and hauling away existing hardwood. Even if you have this, it will still be less expensive than replacing the whole floor.
Make your mark, take our lead.
For many water-damaged wood floors, the best way to repair the damage is to eliminate and replace the affected boards and then to refinish the entire floor. Second, as with sanding and refinishing, the new wood will often have a different hue when viewed next to the existing, sun-soaked wood. 9 October 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.